Hi folks, John Mark here with Catalyst Connect. This is going to be a quick run through of the integration of Zoho Projects with the CRM. Now there are a number of different ways that you can handle your project management in the Zoho suite, and one of the central products that best supports that is of course the Zoho Projects app. Now, when you integrate that with the CRM, you can actually kick off projects directly from a CRM deal that is being closed. So here we are back at our example of Stark Industries, and I can go down to the bottom of this deal in the related list, and I can see any existing projects that have been associated with this deal already. So if you have a complicated quoting process and you really need to run through a number of deliverables in order to deliver a quote, that process may be best handled in Zoho Projects, in which case you can see that over here. Now, if you need to actually kick off the project to manage the operation side of your business, you can go ahead and click on this new project, and this will give you a pop-up where you can now select a project template. So let's just go ahead and do our CRM implementation template. We can select our start date and end date, group it up. It automatically pulls in the description from the deal, and then we can assign our project users. So let's go ahead and get this created now, and we'll dive into the actual Zoho Projects app to show you what the interface looks like. Okay, so here it is created, and we're just given a quick snapshot of the milestones. We can see there are 14, there are 88 tasks, and no bugs associated with this project yet. So if I go ahead and jump into that hyperlink, this is actually going to take me to a tab within the CRM, but essentially pull up the Zoho Projects interface here within my main navigation. So this is a nice quick way to access this project. So here's the overall dashboard that you can customize these widgets to see things like your open milestones, tasks, your time spent on this project, etc. Everything is nicely tied into the CRM, and where we can go back and forth and get an idea of where this project is. Now, Zoho Projects is a very flexible service that you can really use for many different use cases. If you use the full Zoho product suite, it is really handy. For instance, tickets that come through Zoho Desk can automatically push into Zoho Projects as a bug for a particular project. And then, as you saw on the previous screen, we can go to the deal and the customer, and we can see where the project is, what milestones are complete, any bugs that are associated with it. If we want to go back and see the support ticket that may have caused that bug, we can very easily click on the contact related to that deal, and then through the CRM see the various tickets that that person had submitted. Now, here on the project side, if we do a quick run through from the top, we can see our major milestones that have been set up for this particular project. Associate a milestone with either being an externally or internally tagged milestone, and that can give us the ability to either show or hide these milestones to clients when we invite them into projects. Diving into a particular milestone, we can drill down to see specific task lists, and underneath a task list, we can then further drill down into the specific tasks. These can all be templated to have a specific owner with a start time, a due date, and dependencies if they exist as well. Now, within the task, you can drill down and see any comments. You can do subtasks, you can log your hours, upload documents, have a discussion around it, see your dependencies, any bugs, and activities related to that task as well. So there really is quite a bit of depth to this product. It's great if you want to take on a larger deliverable and manage a multi-month project. We find that if you need to manage simpler projects, there's some other fantastic tools within the Zoho product suite that can do it without this much detail. But if you like the ability to drill down, then this is definitely going to be one of the apps that you should look into. Now, From an integration standpoint with the finance suite, you can also associate expenses with projects, time, and then push those through as invoices in the Zoho Finance Suite, which again roll up to the CRM account record. So this was a very quick high-level overview of Zoho Projects. We look forward to discussing your use case better, and we can further recommend whether this is right for you or if you should go through another route. Thanks a lot, and we'll chat to you on the next video. Cheers.